As I walk through the valley of the blessed, no stress in my chest as we stand for our right to make a left at the crossroads of liberation, trying to save lost souls from false information. Although the opposition may be intimidating, we must overcome attempts of incrimination. Keep on participating, marching in the name of justice, cause it can't be just us falling victim to the handcuffs, merely based on perception. Watch where you stepping, based on your appearance, they gon' start asking questions. Speaking in two tones, there's the one I use at home, the other one I use at work when I'm on the phone. Cautious and aware of the world that surrounds me, spreading my wings although the world tries to ground me, claiming ownership in the land of immigrants, trying to give thanks, but the natives just ain't feeling it like
that I am not a war of America. I am not an object of missionary charity. I am one of the people who built the country. Until this moment, there is scarcely any hope for the American dream, because the people who are denied participation in it by their very presence will wreck it.
Since the days of our arrival, it's always been survival. From Nat Turner's rifle to Martin Luther's Bible. And now I gotta ask myself, what can I do? Became a teacher so the kids aren't being lied to. Knowledge of self is a must for mental health. Them acting up as they wait to ask for help. Kids joining gangs just looking for acceptance. Young brother, I love you. Your life is a blessing. The father of man growing up without a dad, turned king of a ghetto that he wish he never had. You are more than your circumstances. Please make the most of your second chances. Fam is all we got, so we stay close. This material world want us to stay broke. The poor man is used as a scapegoat. Try to give thanks, but they always come to take mo. I'm like, whoa.
Is that black people are just like everybody else. One has used the myth of Negro and the myth of color to pretend and to assume that you are dealing essentially with something exotic, bizarre, and practically, according to human laws, unknown. We are humans too.
Deemed guilty by birth, gotta work for my innocence. In the club, but don't got a membership. When I go to work today, I gotta act a certain way. If I weren't Mark Drew, I'd probably get turned away. Heard his story, he don't wanna hear mine. I'm like, all perspectives matter. We come from greatness, please go check the data. We more than slave ships, disregard the chatter about anything less than being human. In my heart, I feel that a storm is brewing. Stuck in the matrix where hatred's not an illusion. We've seen obstacles, yet we keep pushing through them. All in our fight and the right to be equal. Victim turned hero, power to the people. Whether I kneel or stand, I'm a man too, with the right to live life on this land too. I'm so thankful.